the Waterloo ecosystem is all about the entrepreneurship. Like the whole business community really is founded on entrepreneurship and supports it.
There is no other ecosystem, at least that I've seen in teaching like Waterloo. The thing that I really love about the MBET program is the students are committed to being entrepreneurs.
We want students to work together. They're not competing for marks, they're not competing for jobs. They're trying to understand, how can I do or get to where I want to go by working with others, by building my network.
And what they will learn will have a real impact. And that's extremely exciting for me.
The MBET is a practice degree. It's rigorous academics, and I'm going to give them that, but I also want to make sure that when they get out there, they know how to do.
That's a mindset that I really want my students to leave my classroom with, is that I can do good and be profitable as well. And I think that's incredibly powerful. There's something different here. There's a culture about innovation, about building things, about taking risks. This is really the best place to be for entrepreneurs in Canada.